in the kitchen with entertaining expert Arina Lannis, and you've got a pretty cool and easy outdoor DIY project. Now, I just want to tell the audience, Arina, before we do these segments, we always have a little conversation about it, and she goes, "Are you familiar with how to use a glue gun?" And I was like, Arina, this is not, I mean, we're not landing the lem on the moon here. This is just squeeze, right?
Just squeeze.
You know, they used to call me Glue Gun Rob back in the old days. I know how to use a glue gun. All right, so what are we doing?
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the store, any craft store, and get a letter. And they will come white. Okay. You can leave it white, but I highly recommend you paint or spray paint it black.
So this is A for Arina.
A for Arina.
Okay,
that's
like
right.
That. So you want to paint it so you don't see the background once you put the sticks on.
Exactly,
right?
exactly. So it has a little bit more of a polished look, even though we're going for a rustic look.
Right, okay.
So once you have everything ready, and this has somewhat dried, you will have your, well, I have my kids go out ears. It's a little too young to
My kid doesn't go out just yet. I hope not. Where is she? Oh, she's out again?
She's getting twins.
She's 6 weeks old.
I
She's
know.
a riot. Yeah.
But anyway, you'll have, well, or you can go out and get some twigs.
Yeah, sticks.
Sticks, dead stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
twigs, sticks. Yes. Okay, I'm with you. I got you. You haven't lost me yet. Keep going.
So then you're gonna
when do I start gluing?
cut them up.
Yep.
Okay.
This component seems dangerous right here.
Which one? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh,
pruning shears. Yep.
So
right,
anyway,
so
you're
dump a little glue here.
Just dump.
Now I noticed you brought backup cartridges just in case, right?
I did. That's one thing that you will need.
You want to be liberal with the glue application, is that correct?
Yes,
okay.
You're going to need a lot of glue.
Yeah.
You don't need a lot of stuff for this, and of course, you know the twigs are free.
Right. No, these are gifts from God and nature. These are wonderful.
Yes.
Never going to run out of twigs.
No,
never. Unless you're in the Arabian desert or something. So they used to call me Glue Gun Rob because I love arts and crafts.
Yes.
So this is where the creativity really comes in, right?
Yes.
So we can just go along gluing here. You know, you can narrate as I glue.
Absolutely.
I think we actually need a new cartridge.
There you go. I have it ready for you.
Glue Gun Rob, again, very simple to use this. You just stick the cartridge in there, and you continue with your gluing.
That's right. So there you go. And you can do a similar twig, or you can do something different, or you can do various sizes, just like you. I mean,
Great for the kids, too. Great for the kids. I mean, this is fun if you're alone, if you're maybe you've had a sad day, and you've been out there raking up leaves and you get all these darn twigs in the yard. I mean, Arina, we're having fun right now.
Just think about how cool this would be if you were going to like a rustic wedding
and
the couple's name was spelled out with letters like this. Or if you have a son and you could do his name in his room and he's very outdoorsy.
Or if you're trying to start a business and you have the twigs and the sticks and you have a glue gun.
That's right.
The only thing is, with the way that I go through this glue, these cartridges are expensive.
You're doing a really great job because this glue is very, very cheap.
Yeah, I bet you didn't think we weren't going to use up all these twigs.
We weren't going to go vertically. We're just doing horizontal.
No, Arina, that's the best part. You can go vertical, horizontal. You can do whatever you want. You just Glue Gun Rob. Here we go. There we go.
Okay, so actually, see, you can do all sorts of interesting things.
Final one. This is like the wishbone on a turkey. All right, we'll both use it.
Here we go. Okay.
There you go. Where do you want yours? I'll glue it.
I want it right here.
Okay, Glue Gun Rob on the job. There we go. Plenty of glue for you, and I'll put mine down here. The A for Arina now has a base.
Beautiful.
Presto. How about that?
Beautiful. You're a natural.
Glue Gun Rob. Arina, thank you so much.
Thank
Brilliant.
you.